Today I will discuss function of marketing. This carries 8 marks. See, marketing is the subject. It is totally the subject itself. Marketing, 19 marks for your exams, 19 to 20 marks. See, not only is helpful for your this one subjects. For you, if you read this subject, you will survive anywhere in the world. Right? You take one particular product, and on that basis you learn. See, your first one is what? Gathering and analyzing the market. First, you must know what the market is. You are doing one particular product, you are doing it. Say, example, a face powder or a pen, or you are using particular pen. You are manufacturing a pen. You have to do the analyzing. First, gathering. What are the things are there for gathering and analyzing the market information? There are 12 functions are there. One of the function I am telling you, gathering and analyzing the market. What is the see marketing condition? First, you must know number of potential customers and location of the customers, preference of the customers, and buying habit of the customers. All these things are important. By analyzing all this information, you have to you can take a decision. Take a decision for successful marketing. This is the first function. They may ask you for 1 or 2 mark also separately. What is gathering and analyzing the marketing function? One of the marketing function. Or explain any one of the marketing function means this one function you do, because your 12 functions are there. Right? Next, marketing planning. What is marketing planning? Formulate successive plans. That means different plan. How I have to design the poster. How I have to tell the what is that content, the what product I am doing it, and what is the use of buying that particular product. That you have to how to advertise it, properly advertise, and how I have to approach this to the customer. All these things are very very important, and what idea I have to get, how to approach the customers, how to convince. These all are you have to develop, formulate. This series means what? Group of planning to achieve the marketing objective. What is the marketing object? You have to sell all your product perfectly. What should I do? These are all marketing planning. You have to sit on planning only. Therefore, formulate series of planning to achieve marketing objective. Right? Your marketing objective is what? You should have better selling. Next, product design and development. That means what? How to design. So suppose the bottle is like this. You have to redesign the bottle in long form or very flat form, like that. And you can introduce another thing. What is the development? You can introduce a spoon. Normally, they will not provide the spoon. You can develop it. You give a spoon or a label on the particular product. Suppose it is a product with the food product. For the what are the calorific value of the food product? All these things you put it. This is called development. Product design and development. That means the design of the product for the customer requirement, and it should be attractive also. It should be attractive. Next, standardization and grading. What is called standardization? See, these are called standardization. Look, these are the standardization. What are the information, nutrition, what are the ingredient, everything is standardization. So that this avoiding, it reduces testing, inspecting, evaluating, all the things, testing, inspecting, evaluating. This is called predetermined. Before itself, I determine the specification. What are the things it contained and all these things. Before itself, I contain. It's called predetermined consideration. Grading. This product should be what is the graded according to the features. First, I classify small packet or big packet, and in terms of volume, height, and its quality, and its features. Therefore, the product is different based on the features, like how much quality, how much quantity I have taken, what is the size, bigger size, smaller size. This small size packet also. So this masala is so small, and this also a very big, small tea or big tea. I can classify. It's called grading. Understood? Therefore, different product grading you can do it up, right? Therefore, see, packaging and labeling is the next function. You designing the packaging is very very important. For the egg, you need this type of package. You see how they keep the egg. For toys and all, how they package. Package is slightly different. For toys, for oil, for statues, and what is it? Some sticks. Depends upon the different packages, product packaging style differ. Therefore, and next, labeling is what? It is a self-service and also serves for advertisement, labeling the product. See, next comes branding. Branding helps in creating product differentiation. That means you can differentiate from one product to other product. See, if you take Red Label, this is a brand, Brook brand. Quality is a brand. Like Achi Masala is a brand. Same masala is a brand for MTR also. Brand are different. It can be distinguished from the competitors from which company it belongs to. Next come pricing. Pricing is before fixing the price, you have to see the fixing the process of fixing the price is important. That means what you have to see the cost of the product and the cost of the substitution product and competitor price and all the things. Cost of production, that is important. All these things you have to consider. Next, customer support service. That means handling the customer's complaint, handling the customer complaint, sales, after sales, doing service, getting feedback informations. All these things are important. See, apart from this, there are other functions such as promotion, advertising, promotion of the self, publicity, and all important. Channelizing the distribution is also important, and transportations and warehouse. All these things we are not discussing at present, but these 8 functions are very very important. See, you got if you do these 8 mark questions, you're covering 2 mark questions, 1 mark questions, and 4 mark questions also. All these things you read and write once and do the self teaching. Then only you can do it. It will be easy for you to do all the things. I will be sending the photo of this means what this along with the video. You write the notes on your own words.